forgot to mention that we have a roll-down back seat, which you pretty much saw in like Dusters, maybe even some Chevys. Barely, I ever remember really seeing it in Ford, but it is a nice feature to have. As we're going up the road here, just a pretty straight car we got here at Skyway. I like this wooden wheel too, that gives it more of a muscle look. But anyway, we're going to turn this beast around with our nice 429 engine, get her on the lift, and take a look at the underneath. We'll see you there.